Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Doogee X100, for the first you have to open the notification bar and then click and hold the Bluetooth icon. Right now we are in the Bluetooth settings, so let's activate the Bluetooth mode. On the second smartphone you have to do the same, but I'm going to enter this from the settings. Click here for the pair new device. And I'm looking right now for the Huawei P30 Pro because there's not my devices, but oh, here it is. So let's tap on the device that you want to connect and accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see, here we got the notification sound, and also we are in the pair devices right here. So that's how you can pair the devices through Bluetooth with your Doogee X100. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.